and welcome back to my channel. I've been really slow with a lot of my content creation recently. Ever since coming back from New Zealand, I think I mentioned we got sick, and then it was a rush to catch up with everything, and then I got sick again. And I think, oh my gosh, did I not open this? Sorry, I thought I'd already opened it, but I'm still, actually, I don't know if you can tell, I'm still kind of recovering from my month-long flu. I didn't even realize that I think I actually got the flu. Even though it's like one of the few years I actually got the flu vaccine. I feel like every year I get vaccinated for the flu, I somehow get the flu. I don't know why that happens. It's just my terrible luck. But I'm gonna keep pushing on and try my best. So we have October's Zenpop box, and it is going up in October, so yay me for actually being on time. Here is the QR code if you would like to follow along at home. I'm going to just open it up on my phone. All right, and let's see what we've got. So, make mark, nuance color marker. This is kind of cool. I know I'm going to test, ooh, it's like a highlighter, but it's like really chunky. All right. You guys know the deal. Try these at the end of the video, but I'm really keen to try that. That is new. So first up, we have some washi tape. So it looks like it might be PVC instead of actually washi paper, if that makes sense. Whoop. And yeah, it's like this shiny, which in the past, I used to hate getting these because I feel like I couldn't figure out what to use them for, because I don't actually like using them. Here's like a better view of them on the sticker in front. It's like a little cityscape, sunset cityscape. Because I don't use them on my planners. I don't like using them on my planners. But these are actually really great for wrapping presents or sending out gifts or anything like that. So I kind of add this to my gift wrapping little box now, and I use it for that. Then we have some Post-it notes. Like perforated Post-it notes. It's so cute. All right, so can you actually tear these up? Yeah, you can. Wow. Okay, the perforated edges are basically here, like all these strips. They're super fine though, so when you run your finger across it, usually if the holes are much larger, you can feel it. I can't feel anything. That's incredible. So I'm just gonna tear this open, and then essentially it works like this, like a little booklet that you can put into your planner, or you can insert this part into your planner and just have it up here. But there's one end that's sticky, so I'll just peel this off so you guys can see. It's like you can have one long sticky Post-it note, or you can actually, yeah, tear them off like this. That's cool. I don't know why I find it so cool, because it's not like, the idea and the concept is like done to death, but not in this way. In this way, it's really good. Sorry for the sun, by the way. My desk is super messy, so I'm trying to figure out a better filming situation. So I'm just gonna have to do with this for now. So we have more washi tape. I think it always like makes sense to show you guys this, because that's what the washi tape actually looks like, and it's always a much better view on the front. And there you have it. That is cute. And then we have some stickers that you can put photos in, which, here's a better example. I really love this idea because I've been doing a lot of travel journaling. We've done lots of little mini trips, and I've just been journaling them in my traveler's notebook, and I've been using these sort of stickers to death. So it's going to be so useful. It's kind of like my form of scrapbooking, I guess. I guess it is scrapbooking. Oops. Okay, so these are like dot stickers. That's just the backing paper. And then you've got your frame. I mean, they put some really nice pictures in here, I'm not going to lie. These are actually really nice. But you can use these as, just take the middle part out and use them as frames. So that's really nice. And then we have just, Zenpop custom stickers for October. That is really cute. It does make me wish we were in fall when I look at stickers like this, but then I'm like, I look out the window and I'm like, no, I'm happy it's spring. I've been dying for spring for a while now. Ooh, okay. This is actually so nice. This is like a letter set. So you guys know I always keep them on the side to give away, but I love that they have these like wax seals. That makes it just so much more fancy. And then last is a notebook, an A5 notebook. Okay, just a typical lined notebook, but very useful, and spirals, so easy to use. And yeah, so that's everything in October's Zenpop box. Let's go try out those pens. Okay, so I really want to try this highlighter out. It's intriguing me. Look at that, it's really nice. It's like a muted sage green color. I don't know, I don't think I have anything like this. I know I say that quite often, but I mean, that's part of why I like these subscription boxes, because it's like, it just forces me to be introduced to new stuff. So I'm just, see if the curtain helps at all. So I love this, and it's so comfortable in the hand. I would not have thought to have something like this. Granted, storing it in a pencil cup might be difficult, but it's so nice. And how aesthetically pleasing is this whole setup? Just with the light coming through and everything. So the next one is I think this is Pentel. Is it? Yeah, Pentel, like sort of a brush pen. And I already have these ones, so I already know that they're super great, and they're really great at hand lettering. I mean, I am not good at hand lettering, but I won't lie, that doesn't look too bad. So that is everything in October's Zenpop box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.